Hello, this is Jim from Tech Bus. Today we're going to give you a quick first look at unboxing of the EPSON EH-TW9400 home projector. I wasn't going to actually unbox this, but a lot of people are asking about it. It is a heavy unit and the box is huge, as you can see on top. So I've just done the usual and took out the goods. So we're going to focus now more on the product. So this unit comes with a lot of features. It's big, you're going to need a bit of space for it, but it comes with a lot of great stuff and it'll be a nice addition to your house. You do get a CD-ROM inside, you get your remote control, you get your batteries, and you get another bag of whatever these are, I have to find out, and of course your power cable here. Now on the back you have an array of ports. So this supports PRO-UHD 4K enhancement technology with advanced pixel shifting, Full HD, UHD, BD and HDR support, 3 LCD technology with equal white, colour and light output of 2600 lumens, delivering vivid colours, frame interpolation with detailed enhancements for smooth, fast action, fully monitorised optics, powered zoom, focus wide lens shift for flexible positioning, large screen up to 300 inches, which is pretty cool, and incredibly long lamp life and installation. So we'll just take a look at the parts that are on it itself, and on the back here you have an array of parts. So you've got HDMI 300mAh, HDMI 1 and 2, USB-A, service, LAN, PC, RS232C and trigger out on the back. So if you turn it around, you can also see here on the side you've got LED lamps for temp, lamp and status. And on the front end we have our lens, which you can close like so with this little short. It's pretty nice. Underneath then you have adjustable feet, and then again you can see some other feet here with screws, so you can probably stick this onto a desk or a specialised stand that you can get for it. On the side here just give us some more information, and this is probably the service part here. And then on the opposite side we have menu, enter, we have some navigation keys here, escape and lens, and then your source key and the power key here. So that's just about it for the unboxing, and if you're looking for a size sample to compare, there's my smartphone. It's huge and it's a lot bigger than the recent home projector we did. This one is a hell of a lot more powerful. So stay tuned for a review coming soon, and this is going to set you back around €3,000. Very expensive, but looking at what it can give, we will find out if it's worth the money. So we'll talk to you very soon on this, and if you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to ask and we'll gladly help you out. I'm going to drop a link below to where you can buy it and check it out. See you soon.